I have a 2023 Airstream International, and I just wanted to show a few simple upgrades on the black and gray water drain and the storage, the hose storage that I made. First one, I added this new Valterra handle, or the cover comes with a handle, and I'll link these part numbers in the description below. But to me, this just makes this much easier to take on and off. I love that handle. Very simple to add on. You simply take the old one off over here with this little strap, remove that, and then you put the new one on. So very simple thing to do, and like I said, it makes it much easier to take on and off. The other thing I did was I added this cover to the sewer hose disposal. Again, didn't like fighting with it, so particularly taking it off or putting it back on. So I felt like this cover comes with a little hinge on the side here, so you can open it and close it much easier. And of course I put this little piece on here just to kind of keep it from opening up when I'm going down the road. I did have to add this to the end as the original cover. The housing for the cover is actually this piece right here is glued to this. So I went ahead and just took the cover off, and this one inserts right into the existing cover. So you do have to add two new holes to the Airstream, and it looks like you have two pieces on or whatever. But yeah, I like this a lot. Makes it a lot easier to open and close the sewer hose cover. The last thing, I want to show people what I did. This is nothing major, and people may not realize this. Airstream owners may not realize this. Your other end of your sewer hose storage actually has another cover on it. Okay, so yeah, that's the way they come from the factory, and I don't think I'll ever want to remove the sewer hose from this end. So I ended up I've never used this, didn't know this was here like this, but I ended up putting the carabiner on there just to keep this from coming off unknowingly. I have heard stories, I've read about them on the air forums, where people have said they've lost their sewer hose because this comes open and they had no idea, and then when they get to their place of stay, they don't have a sewer hose. So I would suggest if you check your other side of your sewer hose storage if you don't haven't already done so. Anyway, those are the few things I did. Hope this helps somebody out. And that's it.